Recently, our shower stopped putting out hot water, so we're going to replace the cartridge. First, we have to take the old one out. As you can see, it's screwed really tightly in there, so make sure to apply a lot of lubricant.
Okay, now this is the key step. So it's let's get the cartridge out. Yeah, let's see how it looks like. It's probably 10 years old cartridge. They look exactly the same. Yeah, but this one is too old. You should get it very tight because it's very easy to have leakage. The water is very powerful. So before we go to the next step, let's try whether there is any leakage. Let's try whether we get the hot water. We can feel the temperature is a little bit warm. Yeah, so let's put everything back.
Let me make a simple explanation about how this cartridge works. So at first I didn't get the hot water because this metal piece is in the middle. Actually, it's a valve. This piece was not pushed out by the pressure from the hot water. So before you put everything back, make sure this metal piece was pushed out by the pressure of the hot water. So when it is pushed out by the hot water, means the hot water flows into the cartridge. So as we turn the knob outside, this metal piece will move in. Then that means the water will get colder. It has less hot water flows into the cartridge.